Our next data type is set. So we are very familiar with list and tuple. But if we don't want any duplicate data in our data set, and we also didn't talk about till now that we don't want duplicate data in the data set, and we also didn't talk about sequential data. So these things does not come under list or tuple. So we want a different type of data structure if we do not want duplicate data. So in sets, you can store numeric, float, integer, strings inside sets. Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Or set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. So index is not important in set. Set cannot have two items with the same value. And sets are enclosed within curly brackets and elements are written as comma separated. So they have very useful specification that they do not have duplicate information in them, and they are very fast to search in, and this is very fast to search in is very important in many daily real world application. If we want a data structure where we can search fast, searching on Amazon, Flipkart, or any social network you want to do fast searches, you need a data type like sets. You don't want for any product duplicate products, then you need set. You want fast searching, then you need set. So list on tuples are very good data structure, but they are not good for fast searching. So let's get into sets. Sets are really important for real world applications. They are mutable. You can change if you want to change any information. First thing, you can do fast searches. So where you have multiple products, like if we want search in Flipkart, we want female kurta set, so we can search. There is no copy of female kurta set. If there also we want any particular color, any particular size, or any particular collection, then we can search over there like cotton, silk. So we have multiple options there to select, and they are not, they are mutable. If we can change our specification, so they are mutable, and we can fast search over there, and they cannot have duplicates. So all these properties of sites, if we work on any social media site, this really works. So the only thing you can do is they all are very different from list and tuple. So that order doesn't matter here, so that you cannot index. So if you cannot index, so slicing, indexing is not important. They don't have any kind of duplicates. First thing, they contain mixed data type. Integer, float, they store together. String, they store together. Okay, so they are enclosed in curly brackets. So this is all about of the basic of the sets. We can change them. A single variable can store multiple items. This is very good property. In coming demos, we will see what is the meaning of this. In a single variable, we can store many things there. And we can change. These are unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. So किसी भी सेट में दो टू आइटम्स का सेम वैल्यू नहीं हो सकता. सेट कैन नॉट हैव टू आइटम्स विद द सेम वैल्यू. So with all the conceptual understanding of the application of sets, in a next demo we will start to declare set and remove elements from them. Till now I'm ending my demo here. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.